Hello, I'm Leah, and I'm from Louisiana and the Louisiana School for Math, Science, and the Arts, or LSMSA. My research project for the Computational Science Summer Research Experience is going to focus on computational biology and bioinformatics for genetic analysis and the history of genes, specifically the MC1R gene. I will be looking at the gene in different organisms and how mutations in each affect the phenotype of the animal. As the animals become more complex, so does the function of the gene. For this project, I'm using UniProt to create a phylogenetic tree, something that traces how species evolved and when they differentiated. I am also using bioinformatics.org to compare the gene across species for percent similarity, or specifically how many mutations or just differences in general occurred across genes. For the function of the MC1R gene in different species, I will be using BG along with other websites. I also plan on analyzing all of this data in R. I will be using a phylogenetic tree to show differences in the function of the MC1R gene across species. Specifically, I want to look at the gain of function as organisms evolve. For example, one of the most well-known functions of the MC1R gene is red hair when it's mutated. In mice with the same mutation, the fur is not red, but it does still get lighter. So in both, fur or hair color is affected, though in slightly different ways. Between mice and humans, then, red hair specifically must have evolved in relation to MC1R. A similarity of function, though, is that the mutated gene has been correlated to a higher pain tolerance as well as resistance to pain relievers, showing that that function must have been gained further back in history. Other animals with a sequenced MC1R gene vary greatly, including sheep, cows, jaguars, and even close relatives of the woolly mammoth. What I want to do is trace the origins of more of these functions across some of the species, giving a comprehensive view of the MC1R gene throughout history. I would like to thank Dr. Shoemaker and the Summer Research and Innovation Program for creating the course, the Burroughs Wellcome Fund for funding and making this possible, Mr. Gottwals for instructing and helping me with my research, Dr. Hines for coordinating my involvement with the program on the Louisiana side, and Dr. J for recommending me. Thank you.